Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're also fine, taking care of yourself. I am also fine. Today in this video I am going to show you ideas and designing about lace knitted jacket. You can see different sizes and different varieties of lace knitted jacket in this my video. They look very gorgeous and pretty. You can easily buy it from market. Many styles and many varieties are available in market, and also make it in your own home by your mind and by using crochet and knitting techniques. And you can use different styles of crochet and knitting yarns to making your jacket beautiful and glamorous. You can make one color theme of crochet and knitting lace jacket, and also make a different colorful theme of crochet and knitting lace jacket by using different yarn of crochet and knitting. One color theme of crochet and knitting lace jacket look like very gorgeous and pretty, and you can wear this crochet and knitting lace jacket in your parties, in your functions, as a casual day, in your working day, and you can wear these jackets in your t-shirts, blouse, and different styles of frocks, and many other different styles of dresses depending on your choice. As you know, there are different materials. Is a lace. Lace is a delicate fabric made of yarn and thread in an open web-like pattern made by machines or by hand. Originally linen, silk, gold, or silver threads were used. Now laces often made with cotton threads. Although linen and silk threads are still available, and you can use crochet lace jackets, because knitted lace pattern is both wonderful and can be difficult. Every lace pattern is made with this series of yarn overs and decrease, make decorative folds, and many other different techniques. And you can use these jackets in winter season, and also use in summer season as according to fashion. I hope you like all these lace jackets in this my video, and if you want many more ideas and designing, please see my videos on my YouTube channel. And if you want to make these crochet and knitting lace jacket in order, please see the link in my description. Touch the link and contact with us. Okay viewers, see you later in my next video. Take care, may God bless you. I pray love for your health and wealth. Members me in your prayers. Thanks for supporting.